So we are starting with exercise question number 2 from chapter number 4. The page number is 184. Please read the question. Okay, and let us begin with the solution. Balance sheet of Ram, Sham, and Ghansham sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2:1 is given to you. Their position on 31st March 2019 that is given to you. Actually, there is nothing much or different or rather different item in the balance sheet. मतलब ऐसा कुछ अलग दिया नहीं है. Now, Ghanasham retired on April 2019. Building investment appreciated by 5%, 10% respectively. Tick mark building and investment. Provision for doubtful debts is created 5% on debtors. Tick mark the debtors. Provision of 3,000 to be made in respect of outstanding salary. It is just a provision. Like question number 1 में जैसे था provision for the claim of compensation. Here is a claim for salary, outstanding salary. Number 4, goodwill is very important. Goodwill of the firm, very important. Goodwill of the firm is valued at 90,000. It is of the firm, means for all partners. Okay, we are going to compare this. In question number 1, it was given only for retiring partner. That is, Kaka's goodwill was only raised. But here it is raised for all firm, entire firm. And what? And partner decide that goodwill should be written back. The goodwill write back bhi karna hai. Write off bhi karna hai. Okay. Now what is the old ratio? Is the 3:2:1. This is the ratio for Ram, Sham and Ghanasham. Ram, Sham and Ghanasham. इनका ratio है 3:2:1. Out of that, Ghanasham is the retiring partner. Actually, this is the old ratio and the new ratio is now only 3:2. That is by cancelling retiring partner share. Retiring partner का share cancel कर दो. Remaining share is the new remaining whatever actually ratio is the new ratio. Amount payable to retiring partner transferred to his loan account. That's okay. So I hope you are all ready, and so we can start with the solution. First of all, bank account is given to you. There is no transaction, cash transaction. So bank account to be recorded to balance sheet assets in the outer column. 54,000. Debtors. Balance sheet assets, but inner column. 90,000. Building. Balance sheet assets, inner column. 60,000. Investment. Balance sheet assets, inner column. 1,50,000. 1,50,000. So in this way, the assets are recorded. Now liabilities, capital account of Ram, Sham, Ghanasham by balance brought down. Ram is of 1,20,000. Then Sham is a 90,000. And Ghanasham it is 60,000. Creditors and bills payable to be recorded. Creditors, bills payable, even loan. It is just a loan. That means there is outside liability. Okay, nobody's loan given to you. मतलब किसी partner का loan नहीं है वो. So now leaving 2-3 lines, you write creditors in the liability side 22,000. Bills payable in the liability side 12,000. Then loan in the liability side 50,000. Okay. So in this way, all the balance sheet, all the items of the balance sheet are recorded. Now the building investment appreciated by 5% and 10% respectively. So there is appreciation on building 5%, 5% add 3,000. Outer column 63,000. Investment 10% appreciation add 15,000. Outer column it is 1,65,000. And to be recorded profit and loss adjustment account, the credit side of the buy building 3,000 and by investment it is 15,000. So appreciations are to be added and to be recorded to profit and loss adjustment, also called as a revaluation account credit. बाद में क्या दिया है देखो, what is given thereafter. That is a provision of 3,000, sorry, provision of for doubtful debts is 5% on debtors, 5% on debtors, 5% RDD, 4,500 minus from debtors and profit and loss adjustment account debits related to RDD. Okay. Then the provision of 3,000 to be made in respect of outstanding salary. The salaries are due but not paid, outstanding salary. It is to be recorded profit and loss adjustment account debits related to outstanding salary. Outstanding salary. 3,000. And balance sheet liability side, because this is not yet paid, it is just outstanding. So liability side, outstanding salary, rupees 3,000. Now thereafter, the adjustment of a goodwill is only remaining. Goodwill is valued at for entire firm 90,000. सबके लिए वो goodwill value किया है. First of all, it is to be distributed between all partners in the old ratio 3:2:1, and then it is written back. So it is to be debited to capital account between remaining partners Ram and Sham in the remaining ratio 3:2. मतलब सबसे पहले goodwill आपको 3:2:1 डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है और कैपिटल के क्रेडिट में लिखना है एज अ बाय गुडविल. Now 90,000 divided by 6, 15,000, 30,000 and 45,000. So मतलब गुडविल कैसे करेंगे हम लोग? Entire firm it is to be credited to capital account. First of all, credited to capital account with the old ratio. पहले old ratio में distribute करना है. And then it is to be debited to capital account because it is written back, मतलब cancelled. Okay. It was decided to write off the goodwill, or decided that goodwill will not appear in the new balance sheet. That means the goodwill is written off in the new ratio between remaining partners. Rather, new ratio means only remaining ratio. Ghanasham is retired, तो उसका ratio cancel हो गया. The ratio remaining only for Ram and Sham. So we are going to debit to the capital account as a to goodwill account. To goodwill account. Now 90,000 divided by 5, 18 over. 18,000 into 3, 54 and 36,000. If you are looking at the adjustment, this goodwill very carefully, you can understand that it is finally 1 and 7. वो एक ही बात है, जैसे कल हुआ था वैसे ही आज भी हुआ है. कैसे मैं आपको समझाता हूँ. Look at the credit side. Goodwill is credited. राम को कितना क्रेडिट मिला? 45,000. लेकिन राम को डेबिट कितना मिला? 54,000. 54,000 का डेबिट ओके चलो मैं अच्छी तरह तरीके से लिख के आपको एक्सप्लेन करता हूं. So goodwill debited by 54,000 for Ram and credited by 45,000 to Ram. So what is the difference? Is the 9,000. Then for Sham, debited with 36,000 and credited with 30,000. So what is the difference? Is 6,000. अब इसका टोटल किया हमने तो कितना आने वाला है 15,000 which is exactly credited to घनश्याम. तो घनश्याम को हमने क्रेडिट किया 15,000 का, कैपिटल को क्रेडिट मिला है, इसका मतलब दैट घनश्याम इज गेटिंग द compensation. Ghanashyam is getting the compensation. From whom he is getting the compensation? From Ram and Sham. They are remaining partners. Okay. The last adjustment is given to you. Now in this case, as goodwill is credited with 90,000, debited with 90,000, the goodwill balance is zero. It will not appear in the balance sheet. बैलेंस शीट में आने वाला नहीं है. अब कल के प्रॉब्लम का हम लोग जरा डिस्कस करते हैं. इन yesterday's problem, the goodwill was raised only for retiring partner. That is for Kaka's goodwill, not for entire firm. तो हमने क्या किया था? Buy goodwill 2,700 only in the column of Kaka, and it was not written back. मतलब राइट ऑफ नहीं किया था. तो हमने कहाँ पे लिखा था? Balance sheet asset में. Okay. Here it is raised for all and then written back. So credited first and debited to capital account. So the goodwill is showing the zero balance. It is not appearing anywhere further. The last adjustment is transfer it to partners loan account. मतलब जो transfer जो घनश्याम देखो ये घनश्याम रिटायर हो गया है. Okay. चलो पहले प्रॉफिट कैलकुलेट करते हैं. लेट अस कैलकुलेट द प्रॉफिट. Credit total is 18,000 more. Credit total minus debit total. It is 10,500. And transfer to all partners because all partners are old partners. Ram, Sham, Ghanasham. In the ratio 3:2:1. So divided by 6. किती येतो बघा डिव्हिजन करा. So 10,500 divided by 6, 10,500 divided by 6 multiplied by 3. Okay, 10,500 divided by 6, it is 1,750. So 1,750 for Ghanasham, 3,500 double share for Sham, और इसका 3 times है 5,250. हमेशा टोटल करो. यस टोटल करके कंप्लीट करो. ये करेक्ट है क्या? करेक्ट है. इट इज करेक्ट. Then it is to be recorded here as a buy, profit and loss adjustment account. 5,250. Then 3,500 and 1,750. Okay. Now, first of all, you always close the retiring partner's capital. Retiring partner का capital सबसे पहले close करना है हमको. Because that Ghanasham is now retiring partner, तो उसका capital का balance calculate करना है, which is 76,750. Correct total. 76,750. Okay. Then Ghanasham's capital is to be transferred to Ghanasham loan account. To Ghanasham loan account. Okay, the amount is 76,750 and to be recorded to balance sheet liability side. Ghanshyam's loan account 76,750. And for remaining partners, calculate the capital balance. One lakh 70,250. 1,23,500. For Ram, it is 1,70,250. And for Sham, it is 123,500. Calculate the balance and find out the balance of capital. One 16,250. So these are capital balances to be taken to liability side. Capital account of Ram and Sham. घनश्याम हमारा पार्टनर था, वो भी पार्टनर नहीं है. He is retiring partner now. So take the balance to balance sheet liability side in this way and make it tally. पहले टोटल करो बाहर. That is getting done by 3,67,500. That is the answer. Please complete the question. Complete karo aap. We are going to start with the number 3 immediately. For that also we need to prepare same set of account. ऐसा ही करना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now we are starting with the question number 3. Okay. Balance sheet of Anu, Renu and Dinu sharing profits and losses in the proportion of a 2:2:1. Our ratio is 2:1. Balance sheet is given to you. Nothing is different in the balance sheet as well. Assets are revalued. Freehold property tick mark karo. Machinery, furniture, and what is given, all debtors are good. मतलब RD no longer necessary. उसको भी tick mark करो. Goodwill of the firm valued at thrice of the average profit of the preceding 5 years, and the profits of the preceding 5 years are given to you. By the way, here you need to make a valuation of goodwill, and the method is the average profit method for which we are doing the working note. And here the goodwill is raised for entire firm, for all partners. And it is not mentioned that goodwill is written back. तो हमको बस गुडविल कैलकुलेट करके कैपिटल के क्रेडिट में लिखना है और बैलेंस शीट के एसेट में भी लिखना है. Then Dinu should be paid 3,000 by check. Now this is the only thing which is important, and that is coming as a cash transaction. Now please see what is the bank balance given to you. देखो बैंक बैलेंस कितना है आपका 5,000 है ना, उसमें से हम लोग कितना पेमेंट करने वाले हैं? 3,000 बाय चेक. So right now only you write there बैंक अकाउंट है ना, वहां पे बैंक, वहां पे लिखो in the bracket minus 3,000. So bank account will appear in the new balance sheet only 2,000. Balance to be transferred to his loan account. Yes. So first of all bank, जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया, बैंक अकाउंट विल अपीयर ओनली ₹2,000. अगर आपको चाहते हैं तो आप इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हो, 3,000 माइनस पेड टू दिनू 3,000. दिस इज ऑल्सो यू कैन ओके डू. ओके, अब यहाँ पे माइनस किया है तो दिनू के कैपिटल के डेबिट में भी तो लिखना पड़ेगा ना, टू बैंक 3,000. मतलब बैंक अकाउंट का इफेक्ट हमने तुरंत दे भी दिया. Out of 5,000, 3,000 paid to Dinu by check. So minus from bank and to be recorded to partners capital account debit side in the column of Dinu, who is a retiring partner. उसको पार्ट पेमेंट कर दिया हमने. Debtors, all good. So 20,000 in the outer column and RDD to be recorded to profit and loss adjustment account credit by RDD. By RDD. It is 1,000 only. Furniture, asset side. So furniture is amounting to 15,000 inner column. Then machinery, asset side, inner column, only 4,000. Freehold property. Freehold property. The amount is 27,000. And very, very important, very, very important. What is our goodwill given to you? The goodwill given in the balance sheet, okay, is 30,000 rupees. Already दिया है. You better record in the inner section. इसको आपको inner column में लिखना है. Okay, goodwill right in the inner column. Goodwill is 30,000 rupees. Okay. Now creditors and bills payable to be recorded to liabilities side. Creditors and bills payable. Creditors are 8,000. Bills payables are 2,000. Before writing the general reserve, write capital balance as a buy balance brought down. Which is 40,000 for Anu. Okay. Then 30,000 for Renu. And rupees 15,000 for Dinu. That is to be recorded there. अब देखो हमने सारे आइटम्स बैलेंस शीट के रिकॉर्ड किए हैं. ओके. हाँ, by the way, remaining part of this particular question we will be doing in the next session immediately. Okay, अभी आपको immediately आना है और next session में हम लोग complete करने वाले हैं. Because I want to give more explanation about this. Okay.